Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to look at our WaterDrop RO system 600G. We've got a E03 code. So today I woke up with my WaterDrop 600G RO water system in alarm with a code of E03. As you can see, none of the RO system filters indicate there is any problem with a plugged filter. So I called the WaterDrop service desk and they said that the E03 code indicated that the WaterDrop 600G sensed either too much water was being used by the RO system or there was a lack of water to the system. So the WaterDrop RO system shut itself down. I haven't seen any sign of a leak or that the faucets were left open, so we'll have to check it out. Well, the very first thing we've got to do is we've got to turn the water off to the RO system. All right, so to get this line off, we've got to get the tab out of there. Now we push this down. Now we're going to turn that water back on and see if we got water flow. I'm sure we do, actually. Yeah, we got plenty of water flow. So that's not the problem. All right, so let's get that water line back in there. See what else we got going here. Well, let's see if we disconnect the power and reconnect it, if it might just reset itself. Okay, let's plug the RO system back in and see what happens. As you can hear and see, the RO system is starting to run. It's starting to pump some water. Well, I'm not positive, but it sounds like and looks like we have a water leak. Yes, we definitely have a water leak at our compression tank coupling that connects the compression tank to the RO water. I turned the compression tank off to see what was going on, so let's turn this valve back on. I'm not going to open it full because it looks like it's going to squirt out pretty good. Sure enough, there's a leak at the coupling. Okay, let's valve off the compression tank and see if we can fix that. But first, I'll clean up some of this water. Where our WaterDrop 600G is installed downstairs below the floor rather than under the sink. And I didn't notice any water falling down, but I felt like the carpeting might have been a little moist. So when I reset it, it must have started up again, and then I could see the water coming out. So it didn't have much water down there. I know just before I went to bed, I did have a glass of water from the WaterDrop system, so it wasn't leaking then. It must have happened overnight, but once it sensed it, I can only guess that it turned it off so it wouldn't flood the area, because this area should have been flooded with all that water coming out. But all we got is that little bit that was underneath the last shelf, and the carpeting's a little damp right there, but dry here. Find that leak accidentally and find out that we need to replace that coupling there. Well, we got our leak fixed. It's been 24 hours and the unit's running and running fine. So that's a good thing. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.